bait with curry. Party don't call wall cut